quintessential values of design excellence, innovation and quality. One company that has stood the test of time with these tenets. One name to be reckoned with, HYT Engineering Company Private Limited. HYT Company began its operation in 1977, initially manufacturing drilling machines and lathes, and later growing into a technology-driven giant that manufactures over 700 machines in accordance with various international standards. Today, HYT has been hailed across the globe as the front-runner Indian conglomerate that not only manufactures wheel maintenance machinery for the Indian Railways, but for more than 4 decades, it also has been supplying an exclusive range of special purpose machines for rolling stock maintenance machines to manifold public sector and private sector enterprises. Strict quality control has always been the premier concern of the company. In compliance with the ISO standards, the company has always maintained its adherence to its core values of performance and reliability. The company is headquartered in Pune, the cultural capital of the state of Maharashtra. With its state-of-the-art production unit, the company is sprawled over 16,000 square meters of stretch that houses all facilities of designing, manufacturing, assembly, testing, etc. The ever-rapid pace of the industry has never been the issue at HYT, as its 6 manufacturing plants are relentlessly engaged in catering to the demands. The proficient team of over 700 skilled manpower and 300 staff members are always engrossed here in meeting and surpassing challenges. If Indian railways and metros are called the lifeline of the nation, HYT has been playing a pivotal role by designing and developing its wheel maintenance machinery for more than 3 decades. Today, the company takes pride in holding 95% of the rolling stocks in Indian railways are turned on their wheel lathes, such as CNC portal wheel lathes, CNC surface wheel lathes, CNC underfloor wheel lathes, CNC vertical turret lathes, over the period, in an endeavor to surpass the newer boundaries of standards, HYT has also crossed the geographical constraints, thus becoming the ace choice of various international conglomerates like SMH Rail, Malaysia, Naledi Rail, South Africa, Sri Lankan Railways, ICS Senegal. Building the client's vision From concept to creation, HYT has also undertaken various infrastructural projects on a turnkey basis. Wheel repair shop for Malaysian Railways, coach shell manufacturing facility and railway coil spring manufacturing facility in Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, and fully automatic wheel and axle assembly complex at Railway Wheel Factory in Bengaluru. Augmentation of wheel shop at Matunga, Central Railway. Are just few of the mega projects that HYT has executed with success and precision.
We, HYT family, take a pride in being one of the pioneer engineering company in India, having achieved remarkable growth over the last 4 decades and contributing significantly to the development of India. I always perceived HYT as a company which could make a difference with its quality, competitively priced product. Our values lie in happiness of our employees and appreciation from our customers. HYT keep abreast all new and emerging technology and continue to innovate. We strive to fully undertake our social responsibility, building a safe and sustainable business, leading as an example of happy business and ultimately achieving the shared vision of a family. Overcoming challenge after challenge with the support of HYT family, HYT has attained a new milestone of global recognition. We look forward to continuing to serve and support all of you in our efforts to exceed expectations.
Over the years, HYT has proved successful in redefining the parameters of the industry, thus carving out its unique and formidable space in the market. HYT Engineering Company Private Limited.